Hello guys, this is Annie from OCAMaster. Today I will show you how to disassemble the top cover to upgrade the airbag to the latest black one. Okay? We will show you how to assemble it back first. This is the top cover with the latest airbag. You see here, there are 4 screws. First, we need to tighten the 4 screws first. And then assemble these 2 parts. Tighten the screws here. And here, there is also 1 screw. And on the top cover, the 4 corners, there are 4 screws. Okay, so now it's assembled already. Okay, now imagine if we have the K6edge machine with the old airbag. Now we disassemble it. First, loosen the 4 screws on the top cover first. Then loosen the 4 screws here on the back side. Okay, thank you for your watching.